Sun low on the horizon and going down, but it was nice to see it today. It took a while. There's the view right now from our Charlottesville camera. The sun's setting now at 6:21. And just think next Monday, it'll be shortly after 5 o'clock and the sun will be going down. The time change occurs this weekend, early Sunday morning. 65 today, 62 is our current reading. Of course, we had a lot of low clouds and fog this morning. Took a while for that sun to make an appearance. Now farther west, the sun broke out a little earlier. Consequently, the temperatures were a little higher, 71 there in Stanton today. Right now 64 degrees, and most of us currently are in the low and middle 60s with few exceptions at this hour. Tonight, even though we've got the clear skies now, the clouds will fill back in. We're looking at overnight lows in the low 50s, and there'll once again be some areas of fog. And similar to today, we're likely going to deal with a period of cloudiness, then some breaks in the cloud cover. We'll say for most of us in the mid to upper 60s. If we see a little bit more sunshine, we can certainly touch 70 degrees. A small chance of a shower tomorrow evening, but really the next 2 days are pretty quiet with temperatures generally in the mid to upper 60s. Now, as we move into the late week, we will be watching a front and the remnants of what is now Hurricane Zeta, which is set to make a landfall across the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico as we go into tonight and early tomorrow morning. Now, the rain amounts in general right now, looking at it on a Monday, could range anywhere from 1 to 3 inches. This is a European model. It's got the heavier rain band shifted farther north and west. Don't be surprised if that comes a little farther south and east here with a couple of model runs. This is the American GFS model, and it's generally showing anywhere from ½ an inch to over 1.5 inches of rainfall. So again, we are watching that for the end of the week. The visible satellite picture, you can see all the low clouds and fog from this morning, then clearing out from sunshine. However, we have a weak front that's just off to the west, and that's going to bring in more clouds here tonight. Things are quiet on NBC29's exclusive dual pole triple Doppler radar. High pressure still in control here. And then we have another system that's out across the plain states, and it's winter out here across portions of the southern plains such as Oklahoma City, dealing with an ice storm today. And look at these current numbers. It's 30 there, a cold rain in St. Louis at 38, and we've got still some seasonable temperatures here in the eastern seaboard. So here's Hurricane Zeta set to make a landfall later tonight and into tomorrow across the Yucatan. Winds now currently at 80 miles an hour. It'll move pretty quickly into tomorrow, and then by late Wednesday into Thursday, make its landfall across Louisiana. All that moisture fans out as it works up toward the southern Appalachians into the mid-Atlantic, and will be racing off to the northeast come Friday. So it looks like Thursday will be our big day to watch. Temperatures here in the morning will start in the 50s, maybe mix out for a little bit of sunshine, mid to upper 60s tomorrow. Small chance of a shower, and we'll hold on to a fair amount of clouds here on Wednesday. A front's kind of stalled nearby. Temperatures in the mid to upper 60s there on Wednesday. And then here we are Thursday. We'll watch that rain in here, the remnants of Zeta as it races off to the northeast, and then it looks like we'll clear out by midday on Friday and a much cooler weekend. Turning cloudy tonight, areas of fog. We're in the lower 50s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Quiet the next 2 days. We'll watch the end of the week. But right now, the Halloween weekend looks good. Don't forget, we fall back 1 hour.